In case you have high-end components and internals inside your computer, it is highly important to cool them properly since they generally produce a lot of heat. And while entry-level components can be air-cooled, you will need to use water cooling for the best performance from your computer. And to ensure that you can go for water cooling on your computer. In this video, we discuss the 5 best PC cases for water cooling. After watching the video you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Vetroo MESH6 Mid-Tower Computer Case. Vetroo is a brand of computer which might not be as popular as other options, but still manages to be a great pick for all those who want something feature-rich while offering a high value for money. This Vetroo Mesh 6 case for water cooling can be the perfect option for those who want to install RGB fans, since this one comes with 6 RGB fans installed out of the box, resulting in a high value for money. As for the functionality of this computer case, you can use ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards inside it. To ensure that you can easily see its included RGB fans, Vetroo also offers a tempered glass side panel with this case. However, one area where this case for water cooling falls behind in terms of its performance is the front panel connectivity, since you only get 2 USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and audio ports. Being a newer brand of PC cases, the included 1-year warranty is to be expected. Thankfully, this PC case from Vetroo is still fairly decent in terms of its hardware compatibility, since it can be used with up to 165mm tall CPU coolers and up to 350mm long GPUs. Number 2. Segotep Phoenix T1 E-ATX Black Full Tower PC Gaming Case. Even though Segotep is a high-premium yet fairly new brand of computer cases, it can still be a viable option for many, especially when you consider its given specifications and features. Segotep's Phoenix T1 case for water cooling can be a great option for all those who want a large size case for their PC. Being a larger PC case, it supports E-ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. Even with its inverted design, this computer case still includes a tempered glass panel on the side. Another great thing about this case is that you get 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.0, a USB 3.1 Gen 2 type and an audio port, making it a great high-performance option for many. Since Segotep is fairly new, it only comes with a 1-year-long warranty, despite its premium price tag. Other than supporting large form factor motherboards, this computer case also offers great compatibility with other computer hardware, which can include up to 175mm tall CPU coolers and up to 345mm long GPUs, which should be plenty for most. Number 3. Anidees AI Crystal XL RGB V3 Full Tower PC Case. The Anidees AI Crystal XL RGB V3 case for water cooling is one of the best options out there if you plan to install RGB lighting on your PC. For the same, Anidees already includes 5 RGB fans and 2 RGB LED strips, which is to be expected at such a high premium price tag. As for its motherboard compatibility, you can install E-ATX, ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards in it, which justify its massive form factor. While it might not be the fastest, the front panel ports are still quite versatile since you get 2 USB 2.0, 2 USB 3.0, and audio ports with this case. However, even at such a premium price tag, you only get a 1-year warranty with it. Fortunately, this case for water cooling still makes for a great pick thanks to its excellent hardware compatibility, since you can install up to 190mm tall CPU coolers and up to 530mm long graphics cards. This case for water cooling offers excellent radiator support since you can install up to 480mm front, 480mm top, and 120mm rear radiators. Number 4. NZXT H510ATX Mid-Tower PC Case. NZXT primarily focuses on air cooling cases, which also happen to be a viable option for water cooling, making them one of the cheaper options despite their premium construction. The NZXT H510 case for water cooling is one of the most affordable options given here, making it perfect for buyers on a tight budget. Even with the entry-level price tag, this case still supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. Apart from its premium construction, it also uses a tempered glass side panel. Moving to the front, you will find USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and an audio port for high-speed connectivity. Since NZXT is a reputable brand, the included 2-year warranty is to be expected. Talking about hardware compatibility, this NZXT case can work with up to 165mm tall CPU coolers and up to 381mm long GPUs with ease. Coming to the cooling options, this case supports up to 2x 140mm front, 1x 140mm top, and 1x 120mm rear fan. With this, you can install up to a 280mm front, 120mm top, and 120mm rear radiator if needed. Number 5. Rosewill E-ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC Computer Case. Rosewill is one of the smaller and cheaper brands when you are talking about computer hardware and accessories, which includes a few computer cases supporting water cooling. The Rosewill Cullinan MX Blue case for water cooling can be another viable pick for those who are on a budget and looking for something accordingly. This case works with ATX, Micro ATX, E-ATX, and Mini ATX. Within this highly affordable option, you still get a 3-sided sleek and sturdy tempered glass side and front panel to no hardware and internal components. This air and water cooling case will include 2 USB 2.0 to 3.0 and audio ports on the top that let you connect all of the external devices effortlessly. Since it is an entry-level case for water cooling, it only includes a 1-year-long warranty, as expected. This water cooling case offers decent hardware compatibility that supports up to 170mm tall CPU coolers and up to 360mm long GPUs. Coming to its cooling options, you can easily install up to 3x 120mm front, 2x 140mm top, and 1x 120mm rear pre-installed blue LED cooling fans. All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.